Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I need you to tell me, sweetheart, or else I can't fix it. Why are you crying? Because? Because why? Because of these pictures? These pictures make you sad? Huh? Why are you sad? Because Grandma and Papa left? What did Grandma say to you today? Didn't Grandma say that she's gonna come back? Okay, you tell me why you miss Grandma and Grandpa. You tell me why, and then we'll be happy. Come on. What do you want to happen? What do you want? What will make you happy? What's gonna make you happy? You have to tell me or else we can't fix it. What's gonna make you happy? Grandma and Papa will make you happy if they come? If you see them? What did Grandma say today? Did she say she's gonna come see you? You want to talk to them again? Why? Makes you sad? Tell me what else will make you happy. What will make you happy, sweetheart? Honey, I can't help you if we don't know.
Daddy gets that damn camera in my face.
Honey, what will make you happy? What about them? What do you want them to do? Why do you want them to come here?
Because I want to.
Okay, you tell them. Tell them to come here. Say, Grandma. Papa. What do you say? Please come visit. Please come here. Why? Why do you want them to come here? Because you miss them? You tell them. You tell them I'm going to send this to Grandma. You tell them. You say because I miss you so much.
Because I miss you so much.
Okay. I'm going to send that to Grandma, okay?
Go kiss.
Give them kisses.
Big one.
Big kisses so they see it. With your lips, big lips. Come on, like the ones you do on the phone. Yeah. Okay.